Hello everyone, testing out another locomotive today that I forgot about. This is a Brass United 2662 Sierra Logger with a rather watercolor-like paint job. I found it at my favorite hobby store that sells the previously enjoyed trains a while back, and I had it packed away. And I just recently opened that box and I was like, oh, wait, I remember buying this logger. So it needs a little bit of work yet. The gearboxes need cleaned out. The wheels need cleaned. I'll plan to strip it and give it a nice paint job. I actually did do a little repair to it. You could see the main steam pipe is clear brass down there. It had broken off, and that actually helps hold the front truck to the locomotive. So a little bit of work. That's about it.